Yes guys, welcome back with another man blowing. Guys, I always telling you whatever I get outside or anything I remember the time I was coming on my YouTube. Guys, this is my second YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel now is 6 years old. That first YouTube channel, and this is my second YouTube channel. So the time I was uploading my first YouTube channel, guys, if I show you the first 3 videos I upload on that channel, guys, you're gonna laugh. I myself, when I go and watch those videos, I start laughing. Why? Guys, you are not going to see my face. Second, you are not going to recognize who is this person. Third, nothing even is show like interesting people they're gonna watch. Why? I didn't know what is YouTube. I didn't know what is thumbnail. I didn't know what is end screen. I didn't know what is card. I didn't know all those things. I would just wake up and take my phone, and that time, guys, I was just recording my old video through my iPhone 6. That time, 6 years ago, I was recording my video through iPhone 6. Now we are in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So you can just understand the big gaps was there at the time I was just doing my first YouTube channel. So now if I show you guys, like if you look this video, serious guys, this is my YouTube. Welcome to Ali Bolton TV. This is my that channel I'm talking about. This video is 6 years. You see to the bottom here, it go 22K. Look my face, guys. You can't even know it's me or it's another person. Or I myself, sometimes when I go back and start watching my videos like this, I start laughing because I myself say like, is this true? It's me and what I was doing on that time, because I didn't know what to do. But the second video I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you the second video. You are going to laugh as well, because these are what I was been doing on that time, and why I'm saying that I didn't know first what is YouTube. Let me say the truth. So the second video, guys, is this one. Look, these 2 video is not different. If you look my face, you look my glasses, you look the way I was just appeared, it's totally different. You see, and you can see my background the way it is. It's just a dark clothes. Is I don't know what can I say on that time. And I was been using my iPhone 6 that time to record all this video. I'm going to show you the third video. You are going to laugh, guys, I'm telling you. You see also the third video how I look like. It's just 3 those videos. At the first video I was starting recording on YouTube, I didn't know. Look my face, look my glasses, look the way it is. Nothing you can see on me. So why? Because I didn't know what people they need me to do and what people they interest in. All YouTubers. The reason I did this is to remind you, if you want to create a YouTube channel, guys, it's the right time now. You got time to create your YouTube. You don't need to buy a fancy camera. You don't need to buy like light, all those stuff. You don't need to do all those things. Because of why I'm saying that, on this time you can just use your phone you got on your hand. You can just use any device you got in your hand, because that time it was iPhone 6 to 7, and that time I was having iPhone 6. So I was having iPhone 6, but no problem to have iPhone 6. Again, I didn't know anything about YouTube. That was my main another problem. I didn't know how to add end screen. I didn't know how to add text, all these things. The type of chair even that time I was having was totally different. So you can just understand the difference on that time and the difference of now. So now you got a lot of chance that you can just create your channel and post your content, and people that are there to help you. You can get, or you can come to me, you can go to any person you know and ask him like, where can I add my text, how can I add on playlist, how can I do this. But last 6 years I was doing my YouTube channel, then we didn't have those things. People they can tell you, even the famous people, they know all those things. They didn't come and tell people on the YouTube. Like now, anything you search on YouTube, you are going to get it. You see, So anything you're going to search, you're going to get on YouTube without not even wasting your time, all these things. But on that time was totally different. You can't get any video of how can I get a thumbnail, how can I do my my title, how can I do my end screen, all those things. Now if you write on YouTube, you're gonna get, but on that time if you go on YouTube search, you're not going to get all those things. So what we was just doing, we just create by your own and thinking like, what can I do, where can I start? And if you get chance, maybe you go family friend who just know more about YouTube, then you can just ask him, support me. Then that person is gonna tell you like, okay, I will tell you only how to create a thumbnail, but I'm not going to show you ABCD. And that time people, they was using different app for editing their videos. If you want to create your thumbnail, also the app we was using on that time was even totally different. Now we got the best app that you can just post your content and editing look like pro, while you are using even the free one look like pro. Or you can go to the pro one, subscription one, it just look massive. So now guys, if you want to create a YouTube channel, you are on the right time to create a YouTube channel. Don't say like, oh, I don't have camera, oh, I don't have light, I don't have all these things. You don't need to have light, you don't need to have camera, you don't need to have anything. As long as you got your phone on your hand, that's it. You can start your YouTube channel now. And that time, don't look like, when you're going to upload your first video, don't look like I need the pro side, like let me my video look like a professional, all this stuff. No, on that time you never know, you can post that video, maybe only one person can view, so you don't need to waste your time. You have a first video, you can take your phone and say like, hi guys, please follow me my YouTube channel, I'm this and this and this for 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and you can post. That is your first video. You don't need to interest yourself like, let me do this type of content, let me find this and let me go on this. You don't need it, because on that time no one know you and no one waiting your content. But once you start getting subscribers, you start getting people, building a community, then that time you have to come with something where people, they are going to keep following you and they know like, okay, we are learning something on here, or we are getting something interesting for our site. Then it's not like the first video you want to blow up with that video. It's not going to happen. Maybe I don't know, I don't think it's gonna happen, because I never see like someone say like my first video then it's blow up. No, maybe time and time and time, then we're gonna blow up. Like now I'm telling you, I'm showing the video 6 years ago in my channel. Now it's 22,000, one is 17,000, one is 1,700, something like that, and it's 6 years. And if you look those video guys, you can't even see my face, you can't even recognize who is this person, what is doing here. But I don't have microphone, I didn't have light, I didn't have camera like now, I didn't have all this stuff. Like now you can see I got my camera, I got my microphone, I got everything, I got nice place. So when people that are watching my video, they feel like, yes, we are on the right place. But that time, and people that was still even watching, the way it was like that, and still people that was watching. So if you're a new YouTuber guys, make sure you create your account now. Don't wait to get like camera and this and that. You don't need camera for the first video. You don't need camera for your first, second, third. When you're still new, you go like 10 subscribers, 6 subscribers, this, you don't need to buy camera, you don't need to do all these things. It's just take it and post. That's it, because that's what I did myself. And whatever I'm telling you guys, you see on my other YouTube channel. That's why I get a lot of idea from there. Then I came to this other channel and I know what I'm doing now. I'm not going to confuse what I did last time to this side. So everything I just do the way I know, on my experience, my research, all my stuff. So you have to make sure posting time also. Posting time is more important on YouTube. If you're a small YouTuber, big YouTubers, all these things, you have to know like the time you can post, what type of content your subscriber they need, all those things. But when are you going to know that? The time you get a community, then people, they start knowing you, they start following your channel, then that time you can select like the type of content you're going to do, when you are going to post, all those things. But for now, I'm going to say like, you don't need to buy anything. Just pick that camera, what's your phone, put your phone, record. Even you can take your phone and just put somewhere like on the wall or somewhere like this, then talk with your camera. Straight away that video is gone. People, they're gonna watch, because you don't have people, they're just waiting your content, all those stuff, you know. So don't waste your time for say like, let me buy camera, then I will just start YouTube channel, or let me do this, then that the time I'm going to start YouTube channel. You're going to waste your time. So now you got the right time, just upload your video without not waiting anything. So thank you very much, guys. Please and please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.